How to fix YouTube settings not showing up. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type YouTube. Now click on search. Tap on YouTube and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now after updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll down, click on apps, then go to app management. Now find YouTube. Now tap on force stop and go to storage uses and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and go back to the home screen. Now simply open up YouTube. Now to access the YouTube settings, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. If you want to access the settings in the YouTube video, open up the video, tap on settings icon at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.